Just a quick update, a shortcut to get your website leads, website forms to show up in your inbox. Go find a form submission from your website, find that email, check your spam folder somewhere you should have one, and then when you find a form, here's an example, and this one's quite obviously spam, but it will show a from email or from name. It doesn't really matter where it's from, like what's the from email or the from name. What does matter is the form actually came through your website. So if it came from your website, here on Google in Gmail, or if you're using Google Workspace for your emails, on the right hand side, top right corner here, click the little menu button, click more, and then go down and click on filter messages like this. And then what it'll do, it'll filter all the emails with a from email address, and then you click on create filter, and then you click on, you can also click on star it, also click on never send it to spam, and click on always mark it as important. Now if you have a bunch matching conversations, you can also click on this, and it should also pull these from spam if there's any in spam or in trash. And then click on create filter. And now anytime an email comes in from that email address, it'll automatically be marked as important, automatically go to the inbox and bypass spam. So hopefully you get more forms going straight to your inbox this way.